To deactivate your account on Instagram Threads, it's actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is to open the Instagram Threads application, and you want to make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, you want to click on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, and then you want to select the settings icon in the top right. From here, you'll be taken to the settings screen, and what we need to do now is click on the account setting, and here you get some account setting options. So to deactivate our profile, you just want to click on deactivate profile, and here it's going to give you a quick rundown on what this does. Deactivating your profile is temporary, and your profile's threads, replies and likes will be hidden until you reactivate them by logging in, and you can log back in whenever you'd like. It's important to mention that this will not affect your Instagram account. So once you're ready, you want to click on deactivate threads profile, and here it's going to ask you if you're sure. All you need to do is click on deactivate, and your Instagram Threads profile will be temporarily deactivated. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.